These are the moments after an Israeli strike hit a medical clinic in Deir al-Balah. The most graphic scenes have not been aired. Hours later, the victims, mostly women and children, were mourned at the nearby hospital. One mother was wrapped up with both her daughters. Locals say they were seeking aid when they were killed.
The young and the old were dying of hunger. They went to get food. They died over it.
On Thursday, the EU's top diplomat announced that an agreement had been reached with Israel to expand humanitarian access into the enclave.
These steps include, among other things, the substantial increase of daily trucks for food and non-food items to enter Gaza, the opening of several other crossing points in both the northern and southern areas, and the reopening of the Jordanian and Egyptian aid routes.
She also reiterated calls for an immediate ceasefire. But once again, days of heavy diplomatic negotiations, mediated by Egypt, Qatar and the United States, threatened to be fruitless, despite recent optimism. Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu told American media on Wednesday that there was a good chance of a 60-day truce and that he would get the hostages back.
Let's get them all back without capitulation.
And Hamas agreed to release 10 living hostages taken in the October 7th attacks. However, sticking points remained. Notably, a senior official said the militant group would not accept Palestinians to be controlled by the Israeli army in exclusion zones, referring to Israel's plans to create what authorities call buffer zones in the enclave, which, according to the United Nations, would push the population into an area less than a third of the size of the Gaza Strip.